let's take a moment and talk about driveways, garage slabs, and what you can know is going on when you see something like this happening. Based off of what you can't see behind the garage door, this garage slab is kind of all over the place. Lots of cracks, lots of settling. Same thing with this driveway. You can pretty much guarantee that one of two things are happening here. One is a bunch of this stuff was put on top of organic materials like roots, tree branches, entire trees we've seen. The other thing that could be going on is that whatever was put in place wasn't properly compacted prior to the concrete being installed. So, we have almost 2.5 inches of drop here. It could be either or. So there are solutions to solve this problem. There's a company that installs spray foam underneath here and lifts the concrete up. I think it's called like Levelcrete or something like that. I don't remember the company name, but there are companies that will lift the concrete up for you so you don't have to replace it. What we are doing here though on this project is we're getting rid of these two doors and turning this into one door. So we've got to bring in the outsides and we've got to get rid of this. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna cut the garage slab, because seeing the garage slab from the outside of the house is a detail that makes my brain want to explode. Not a fan. So we're gonna cut this from the inside of the house, or inside of the garage rather, zip that, and then we will put in a new driveway so that we've got new driveway dying into whatever's going on inside of their garage. But it really would make a big difference to have this all be clean and beautiful. So again, when you're dealing with stuff like this, folks, there are always different ways to solve problems. But when you're buying a home and you're going in to look at a home, when you see this sort of stuff happening, it's not necessarily the end of the world, as long as you don't see cracks in the foundation. If you see cracks in the foundation, that's a different story. But when you see cracks in the slab and that sort of thing, annoying, yes. End of the world, no. Just time and money to fix, and ain't that always the truth with construction? Guys, that's my thoughts about driveways and garage slabs for today. Thanks for watching.